While thousands of students race toward the UK, France, or the Netherlands, there's one European country offering quality education, affordable tuition, and growing international opportunities: Lithuania. And surprisingly, most students still overlook it. If you are planning to study in Lithuania, the first and most important step is securing admission. And this is exactly where many students go wrong. They watch random videos, rush applications, and then get rejected. Not because they lack potential, but because they don't follow the correct process. The process actually starts before the application. First, you must choose the right course and university. This should align with your previous education and future career plans, not just rankings. For example, Kaunas University of Technology is well known for engineering and technology programs, while Vilnius University is recognized for research and academic excellence. Once your course is finalized, you prepare your documents. These include your academic transcripts, passport, CV for master's programs, and your English proficiency proof. Some universities accept IELTS, some accept medium of instruction, but verification has become stricter in recent years. After that, you apply directly through the university's official portal. Lithuania does not have a centralized system, so each university manages its own applications. At this stage, you will also need to pay an application fee. This typically starts from around 50 to 200 euros and may go higher depending on the university and program. Importantly, many universities do not process your application until this fee is paid. In recent years, especially 2025 and 2026, more universities have introduced online interviews. These are usually simple and focus on your motivation, your course choice, and your future plans. If successful, you will receive an offer letter, either conditional or unconditional. After receiving the offer, you must pay part of your tuition fee. This step is critical because without it, you cannot proceed to the visa process. Only after completing these steps do you move forward with your visa application. The biggest mistake students make is treating this process casually, copying SOPs, choosing random courses, or submitting incomplete documents. But if you approach it strategically, Lithuania is actually one of the more accessible European study destinations. So take your time, do it properly, and you'll significantly increase your chances of success. And don't forget to subscribe to Study in Europe, your trusted guide for studying in Europe.